High grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today I will resume our revise in your book Connect Plus. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. Last class I stopped on revising unit 1 to 3. Today I will resume from 4 till the end of the book. Here is the theme 2 about the world around me. Here is some vocab. Let's know it. Sky, cloud, star, sun, moon. When we want to expressing our surprising or amazing, this is amazing. When we say something is surprised, so I say wow, that's amazing. Okay, here is planet, concentration, galaxy. This is called galaxy, and this is concentration. This is concentration. This is concentration, and this is galaxy. Here we have shadow, hot, cold, rainy, sunny, cloudy, windy. Here we have vapor, foggy. Sorry, vapor and foggy. This is called foggy, snowy, steam, circle, square, triangle, solid, rectangle. I think all of these shapes we know it in mathematics. Straight line. I think all of us know straight line because we took it in mathematics also. Axis. This is called axis. Spain. We took it before in Discover. If you return to the Discover book or revise on what we told, we took this this word. I think in grade 1 or grade 2, I'm not remember, but we took it before. Here we have rays, nighttime, daytime. Daytime means during the day. Nighttime means at night. Okay, this is the difference between daytime and nighttime. Light bulb, torch. This is the torch. Orbits. This is the orbit. Here is the planets. Let's know the planets together. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Okay, here is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Jupiter, I think Jupiter is the bigger than one, and brown. Okay, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Here is we have the ordinal number, like when we say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. This is called ordinal numbers. Okay, ordinal numbers. Here is the dialogue. Let's read the dialogue and know more about this our lesson today. Here we have, hi Hani, what are you looking for? So Hani, Hannah meet Hani and saying, hi Hani, what are you looking for? Hani replying, Hannah, hi Hannah, I'm looking for some materials to make a solar system. Okay, Hannah replied, wow, that's amazing. Hani, I have to make a model. The model we can, if we want to make a model about solar system, this is the activity that the teacher of science helping you to do this model to know more about the solar system. I have to make a model of solar system with the sun and planets. Hannah, how about some balls? They represent the planets and the sun. So they use some balls to represent the planets. Okay, Hani, I'm looking for some foam balls. This is the foam, the material that we use. We can, I think all of us know the foam. Okay, and we have and we have a plate made of foam. And I think your mothers give the foam of the plate, and I think you know it. Okay, this foam balls. So we have some foam balls, but I can't find any in the garage. Hannah, I might have some balls left over from my science project last year. So Hannah saying that they have some of the foam from the science project of the last year. Hani, that would be great. Thank you, Hannah, for helping me. You are welcome, Hani. In this part, we talk about about comparative form and superlative form. I would like to know what is the difference between comparative form and superlative form. As we know that comparative form, I know it by adding er to the adjective and then. Okay, this is the comparative form. The adjective must be added er, and we have then. If we can't see then in the adjective, so this not the comparative is what is superlative, like this. Okay, superlative like what? Let's go to superlative. This is the superlative. The adjective that adding est to the adjective and adding the before the adjective. Okay, this is the difference between comparative and superlative. Okay, we use here can and can't. We explained before can and can. And can, as we know, that expressing positive possibility or ability. So I can say I can swim or I can swim. I can play ball or I can play ball. I can't play guitar or I can ride a bike. Okay, we use it when we make a question like this. Can you jump? Yes, I can, or no, I can't. Let's go to our exercise here today. Okay, here is wow. That is amazing. Wow, that is amazing. Wow, here when I see wow means I'm expressing from something. I'm surprising from something. Okay, surprising. This is called that is amazing. Okay, here is amazing, written like this. I would like to make handwriting more better than this. Okay, here is amazing. The space are big. The planets. So here the planets. The planets. Why I select the planet? Because here we have R. Okay. So we must put the noun in the plural form. Okay. The planets are very big. Look, the Earth is blue and what? Blue and green. Because we have green expressing the lands and blue representing the sea. The Jupiter is what? Is brown and gray. Brown and gray. Okay, brown and gray. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have, as we know before, I will write the rule as we know, subject plus verb plus object. Let's practice this. Let's apply this rule in this sentence. There is Uranus. Will be Uranus here. So here we started with what? With the subject that we put that underline it. So here we have subject, verb, object. This is a statement sentence. When I make a question form, I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject, as we know. Okay, Uranus is smaller than Saturn. Is smaller than Saturn. More than Saturn. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have Earth. It will be Earth is bigger than Mars. Earth is bigger than Mars. Is then I put full stop at the end of the sentence. If the sentence is a question mark, we must put the what? Put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, I will answer the third one here, number 4. It's sunny today. I will write it like this. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. It's sunny. It's sunny today. Okay, it's sunny today. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. To do by yourself, as we know now, we know the rule. You can apply it to the on the rest of the sentence. Let's go to another question. Here we have, rewrite the adjectives. Here we have then. What can I put here? I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Here is we have bigger. Why I write it bigger here? This is called do a shown or rewrite. So we must know this is a new kind of question. Must know it. Okay. Here we have bigger. We have here than. So I put bigger in the comparative form er. Here is that. It will be the hottest. Okay, the hottest. Okay, I answer 3 sentences and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay, why here I put I put est, because here we have the next one. It will be the coldest. Why coldest here? Because we have that. Okay, if we have then I put what? I put er like this and like this sentence. Okay, let's go to another question here. Let's go to another one. Here we have, put it in the negative form and question form. I will do 2 sentences. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I would like to say a rule that can must be followed by the infinitive form. Means what? Means I can't put play can and I put played here. If we do this, what can I take in the exam? It's wrong and we got 0. I will write it many times as we use did and does is 0. Okay, why 0, Miss Iman? Because as we told you before, that can must be followed by the infinitive form, because can is one of the models, so must be followed by the infinitive form, or the infinitive of the verb, or the scheme of the verb. Okay, must know this. Okay. Because we're surprising from what we're doing in the exam. Some of you putting do and putting does and putting s to in the same time. It's wrong. And we put did and then make the verb in the past. So it's wrong. Okay, we must know it. Okay. Here is where I can't play football. This is the negative form. I will put it in the negative form. I can't play. Sorry. Football without play. Where is the verb? I can play football. I can football without play, because the verb is the action of the the verb is the action of the sentence. Okay, must put the action that I do it. Okay, here we have I can play. I can't play football. Here is I can't play football. I can't play football. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. When I make a question, I do what I always do. Can, it will be can you play football? Can you play football? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. And it will be the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, don't forget to put question mark at the end of the sentence, because it's a question. Okay, here it is. They in the if we forgot the question mark, it's the sentence is correct, but we have half marks when we forget it. Okay, it will be half marks. Okay, the forgetting of the question mark, it will be half mark. Okay, here is they. Here is they can't watch TV. They can't watch TV. They can't watch TV. What I can do it? What can I do it in the question form? Can they watch TV? Can they watch TV? Can they watch TV? And I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Now we know how to do it, and I will leave the rest to do by yourself. Here we have match the words. Here is raise. Which one is raised here? Raise this one by this one. This is raised. Shadow, this one by this one. Straight line. I think all of us know straight line from the mathematics. Torch, this one by this one. Daytime. Which one is daytime? This one. So I select this one by this one. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to unit 5. Here is unit 5. We have some vocab in this unit. We learn it. Let's remember each other with it. Here we have river bank, rainforest, tree, grass, plant, bamboo. This is the bamboo is a plant called bamboo. Fish, dolphin, wall, row, sail. Sounds fun. When expressing something is beautiful or something is great, we say sounds fun. Here is crocodile, birds, animals, and owl. Here we have hippo. Here we have hippo. We have parrot. We have snake. We have penguin, monkey, shark, stork. This is stork. Dangerous. Stork is a kind of bird. Okay. Dangerous. Flamingo. This is called flamingo. Wheel. Desert. Arctic tundra. Ocean. Polar bear. Mountain. Valley. Cliff. This is the cliff. This is sand dune. It's called sand dune. Here is lake, cave, island, oasis, home, dirty, sick, plastic rubbish, pollution, sea, beach, environment, good for, bad for, good for, feet, exercises, feet, Ferrari, yacht, vacation, canoe. Here we have in this unit, we learned together the past simple tense in the verb to be. We have in the verb to be am is are. Here we have in the past simple we use was and were. Okay, in the negative form and in the question form. Okay, we use was and were, and all of us know that the pronoun that takes was, it will be he, I, you, he, she, it take was, and wasn't in the negative form. You, we, they take where, and were not in the negative form. Okay, and the question we all know how to replace the verb instead of the replace the verb instead of subject, or make a scissor as we know it in your classroom. Okay, I think all the teachers saying that make a scissor, can make a scissor or can replace the verb instead of subject, like this. Was he fast? Yes, he was, or no, he wasn't. Okay. Was it a crocodile? If was I see that is a crocodile, I say yes, it was, or no, it wasn't. Okay. Let's go to the question related to this unit. Subject, verb, object. This is the million time I write this rule. I hope to keep it. Okay. I hope to keep it when we answer this question. Okay. Here we have I want to see. It will be I want what? I want to see some boats. I want to see some boats. I want to see some boats. Here is, let's go to another one. The wool swims in the sea. The wool swims in the sea. In the sea. The snake is dangerous. The snake is dangerous. The snake is dangerous. Is dangerous. The snake is dangerous. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. As we told you before that this is a question, we know now how to do it. Okay. And don't forget to put a question mark at the end of the. It will be what? It will be was. Was that a monkey? Was that a monkey? Here is we have the verb instead of what? Instead of the make a scissor, as we know during during attending in your classrooms, or the teacher is saying. Okay. You're in the classrooms. Okay. Let's go to another question here. Let's do this question. This is the form of was. Use it as we use can in negative and question. Here we use this here we use this as same. Okay. Here is the same here. Okay. It will be she wasn't. She wasn't. You can write wasn't as it is, or can abbreviation, make abbreviation like this. Okay. Can you say was not, or we do abbreviation like this. Okay. Both are correct. She wasn't with her friends yesterday. Her friends yesterday. I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one. This is in what? In the negative. What can I do it in the question form? I make a scissor. Okay, as your teacher says, or replacement. Can say scissor or replacement. Okay, both are correct. Was she with their friends? And I will continue the rest of the sentence and put question mark at the end of the sentence. I go to another one here. It wasn't cold. Wasn't called yesterday. And I put full stop at the end of the sentence. When we would to do it as in question form, it would be was it cold yesterday? Was it cold? Was it cold yesterday? The rest of the sentence is the same. I will leave it to do it by yourself. Okay. If you have a question, write it in below the video. Write it below the video on the channel, and I will answer all the questions. Okay. I hope to write your opinions about my channel. Okay, below the videos. Okay. Write comments. Let's go to another one here. Here we have this snake is what? Let's go to the snake is what? When we see the snake, I'm calm or dangerous? No, it's what? It's dangerous. The wall is what? The wall is big. The monkey is funny. The wall swims in the sea. The crocodile is dangerous. Both the snake and crocodile, both are dangerous. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here is matching. But plastic, here is plastic rubbish makes beach dirty. Which one? This one. This one. This one. This picture. Bait for environment. This is bait for environment. Bait for environment. A plastic beach makes plastic makes beach dirty. This one. This one by this one. Okay, paid for environment. This is paid for environment. No, it's paid for environment. This one, paid for environment. Good for environment. This one. Good for environment. This one. Planting the planting the garden. So planting plants in garden. So this is good for plant. This is this good for environment. People can make sea dirty. This one. Pollution affects nature badly in pollution affects nature badly in many ways. This one. This one by this picture. Okay. Let's read the oral work here. What do you want to do this weekend? I want to go on a trip. So here, after I finish the video, I will write to you, what do you want to do in the weekend? I would like to know, everyone, what do you want to do in the weekend? I write this question to describe about yourself in English, okay? As we write it before about your job and what do you want to be, here I will write below the video this question to answer, and everyone write your view or your opinion about the weekend. Some of you saying me, Miss Iman, I go to visit my great parents in the weekend. Most of us go to the villages or cities. If my grandparents live in cities or in villages, and visit them. Some of us were saying we visit. I go to the park with my family, or I go to the club. So here in the weekend there is different things that we do it. Okay, so I will leave this question below the video to know all of us what do you want, because I would like to know what do you want to do in your weekend. Here is Hannah. What do you want to do in this weekend? Amira, I want to go on a boat trip. That sounds fun. So here is saying this is amazing, or this is surprising, this is amazing, or this is good. That sounds good. That sounds fun. Why do you want to do that? I want to discover the beautiful nature and see some sea animals. I hope you enjoy your trip, Amira. Thanks, Hannah. Reading time. Let's know. I would like to read you this. Why? Because in the exam we have reading, so we must know the pronunciation of the words, and we must know how to read. Okay, so it's important because we are going to the grades to greater than grades that we know that and the reading is important for us. Reading is important for us because English depends on reading and listening. Okay, depend on both reading and listening. To know more about vocab, to improve your language, all this is important for us. Here is, my name is Noor. I'm 10 years old. I have 3 brothers. I live in a small island. My father has a big boat. We go fishing every Sunday. My father fishes and I help him. My mother cooks the fish and we eat them. At 7 o'clock, I swim in the sea. My father likes to sleep on the sand. In the evening, we go home. We are very happy. Here is an information time. A ship is a large, here is describing the fish or saying the definition about the fish. The ship, not fish, ship. Here is describing the ship. Okay, a ship is a large boat. This is a ship that carry passengers for long distance over waters. People use ships for transportation, exploration means explore something. Okay, when we go to explore want to explore something, we use ship. Most ships are much larger than boats. The boats is smaller, but the ships are big. Okay, this is the difference between boats and the ship, but they have the same parts. Let's go to Unit 6 to know more about this. Here we have monuments, cathedral, fountain, castle, statue, museum, tower, stone, bridge, hotel, inside, outside. We have inside and we have outside. Enjoy, visit, weekend, stay, wood, plastic, glass, concert, metal, cloth, paper, water, liquid, solid. I think we took it in science. Liquid, solid, and gas. Steam, boil, freeze, materials, transparent, opaque. This is opaque. Bent, properties, hard, soft. In this part, we talk about also past simple tense, but in the last one, we talk about the verb to be was where. Here we talk about the main verb that we put it in the past simple tense as we adding ed to the verb, or the verb that changed collectively, as we told you before that we have some irregular verbs like go, went, like drink, drank. All these verbs are called the irregular verbs. So I would like to say that you must study the irregular verbs because it's important to answer any sentence in the past simple form or past perfect later when we took it, because it's important to keep it. Some of you saying, Miss Iman, where we find this irregular verb? Irregular verbs is available on your books and textbooks and extra books. You can find it and keep. It's not difficult to find it. Okay, I think it's not difficult. You must keep it because it's important. Okay, here we have the keywords of the past simple tense. It will be what? Yesterday, ago, last month, last month, last week, and so on. Okay, yesterday, ago, last. This is the keywords of what? Of yesterday. And we have once also. When we narrate about something, we say once. Once also is one of the keywords of the past simple tense. What can I do the past simple tense? I do the past simple tense adding ed. When we do it in the negative form, we use didn't. Okay. When we do it in the question form, we say like this: did she play outside? I would like to say something also. If we say in the exam, did she play? It will be also 0, 0. I would like to know this. Why? Because as we told you before, in the simple tense form and in the past form, we must, when we use the keywords of did or does, the verb return to the theme of the in the theme, return to the theme or the infinitive form. Means we say that did return the verb to its theme or the infinitive form. Okay, as it is. Don't say did she play. If we say played, it's 0. Okay, 0 in the exam. You must know so. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is some irregular verbs: go, went, eat, ate, he, saw, bit, break, broke, buy, bought, come, came, did, do, did, drink, drank, fall, fill, find, found, get, got, buy, bought, till, told, catch, caught, blew, bring, brought, wake, woke, dig, dug, draw, drew, lost, fight, fought, fly, flow, think, thought. Here is the question with the simple present or simple past simple. This is the question we do it in the past simple. Like what? What did you see? I saw a big statue. Here is asked about did, and the verb must be written in what? In the past form. Where did you go? So I asked here about where did you go in the past tense. So I went to Luxor. We can say I went to Luxor. I went to Alexandria. I went to any place. Okay. Here we have went. Here is the main idea of this question. I would like to note that the tense must be in the past form like this. When I ask about it, the verb must be changed from simple to past. Okay, like this. When did you go to Luxor? I went to Luxor last week. Here is asked about the way of manner. How did you go to Luxor? I went to Luxor. I went there by train. How are you? I'm doing. How are you? I'm doing well, thanks. Let's continue. Let's go to another one here. Here we have the correct the verb. This is the question that we know it for many years and written again. Here we have found the fountain last week. Here we have last week. So the tense must be what written must be corrected in what? In the past form. we say it will be he visited. Excellent, you are clever people. I'm listening. You are wake up with me. Here is visited. Put ed to the verb. Here is we have last Thursday. Last Thursday. The tense is in what? In the past form. So I put it here in the past form. Here is traveled. I can't write the sentence as a whole. I think you know to write it. Okay. I correct the verb only to make to finish quickly. Okay. Here is we have traveled. Why traveled? Because he lost in the past form. So I put it in the past by adding ed to the verb. Here is we have played. We're adding ed to the verb. It will be played here. Okay. I leave the rest to do it by yourself. I think now know how to correct the verb in the past form. It's easy to do the rest of the sentences. Let's continue the rest of this unit to end from our video today. Here is we have subject, verb, object. I think you will benefit from me. If I'm speaking quickly, you can say, Miss Iman, if you are speaking quickly, you can't understand. But I will slow my tone to understand me. Okay, I will slow my tone to understand me. Okay, here is we have we. This is the subject. Where is the verb? We stayed in the hotel. We stayed in the hotel. In a hotel. We stayed in a hotel. We played football. We played football. I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another one. Here is Yusuf. So I will start with Yusuf. Yusuf went. Yusuf went to bed late. To bed late yesterday. Sorry, last Saturday. To bed late. To bed late last Saturday. I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, let's go to another one here. I will leave the rest of this exercise to do it by yourself. Okay. Here is in oral work. Let's read it together. Amir, look at the picture. What is it? It's a cathedral. This is cathedral of Salah ad-Din al-Ayyubi. It's a kind of strong castle, strong castle in or near a city. Where is it? It's in Cairo. They are big towers, and there is a museum inside it. What is it made of? Made of stone. Reading time. Egypt is a country in Africa that also links to Middle East. Is home to ancient pharaohs, monuments, and stunning landmarks. In Egypt, there are many famous landmarks to explore, like Egyptian Museum, Cathedral of Qaitbay, the pyramids, and so on. There are fun activities for visitors to do. You can go sightseeing, go diving, and other activities based on your performance. Okay. Today I finished in this exercise. I answered during the lesson. So this is the revise of what we learned during the unit. You can do it by yourself and write it to me below the video if we answer it. Today I finished your book Connect Plus. Best of luck. I hope to answer well in your exam. I hope to benefit from me during our videos during during this term. I hope to enjoy our explaining. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Good.